Hello, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video of some cool stuff that I got from BlockShow this past week. BlockShow was held in Las Vegas. BlockShow Americas 2018 was held in Las Vegas earlier this week on Monday and Tuesday, and just started editing and uploading videos that I took from there yesterday, and I just want to make a quick video of some pretty cool stuff I got. Here's the badge and the program over here. It's a pretty big program. I haven't seen everything yet in there, but I plan to go through it later on this week. They also have this is the venue plan and agenda, and then also the map of the show. Also got these coins. As you can see, on one side is cointelegraph.com and sell, and then on the other side it says HODL. I don't know if you can open these. Oh yeah, you can open these. And actually see we got an actual coin. It's kind of nice. They went through the extra mile and gave a little plastic protective case for them. Okay, what else did I get? Also got these stickers here. Not sure where I'm going to put them yet, but it's pretty cool. And these are given away for free to attendees of the show. I also got this little bag here. It says, there you go. Put this aside. From Education Ecosystem, we got this thick mouse pad, and they also gave a shirt. Let me see if I can grab that. Here we go. So here's the shirt from Education Ecosystem. I do have a video up that I took of them, and then I'm going over their project. And from Endo, this little poker chip with a little QR code to get some free tokens. I don't know if each QR code is unique, or I believe it just takes you to a website where you can just register to get the tokens. We got this fan here, and this fan is from Bexim. I do have a video about their project that I'll be posting up the next couple of days, where they talk about their proof of rounds consensus method. Cointelegraph also gave some other shirts. They had more. I didn't take too many because even though they were free, here's the other shirt I got from them. Well, one of the two shirts I got from them. And here's the second one. I like the design of this one. As you can see, there's multiple currencies that are in here. Like you can see Bitcoin, obviously, Litecoin. This is EOS, Monero, Ethereum. So that's pretty cool. I also got a shirt from World Friendship Coin right here. Let's see what's on the other side. Yeah, here's the other side of the coin. So I guess this project has to do with a diamond ecosystem, like some projects are backed by a physical asset like gold. So I think this one is the physical asset they're looking at being backed with is diamond. Now this shirt wasn't free, I did buy it. This is from Crypto KS Cards. There we go. I just thought it was a really cool t-shirt. And I do have a video about them that I've already posted. So besides some shirts, okay, what else did we get here? Oh yes, this is from Linda Coin's booth, where they were talking about Linda X. They gave everyone that visited their booth this from Whopper.io, Whopper Crypto. It's basically Linda Coin on a gift card. So it's a cold storage wallet. And here's a little QR code for it, and then on the back you would have to scratch it off to get the private key. I'm not sure how much Linda is on here, but they were giving these out for free, which is pretty cool as a cold storage. I would call this a temporary cold storage solution. Like if you just want to give it out real quick, and then from there put it in your actual wallet or transfer it. Let's see, sticker from Fleck Media, and various different little flyers that had stuff like over here, pothole coin. I don't think they were there, but I saw on the tables lots of different flyers that people put on, I guess to provide exposure for their project. And we have blockchain cuties, and then on the back there's a promo code. I'm not sure what it is, so that's why I'm blocking it, or if this is unique as well. I believe this is just a QR code to go to the website. It is a blockchain adventure collectible adventure game. I'll probably check it out later. And then various pamphlets from some of the people who had exhibits there, or a booth there. etc.com, Decent, ALAX, MIR coin. This is from South Korea. It's kind of like decentralized Uber, but they're trying to get into their own markets, I guess. World Friendship Coin. This is the one that I got that white t-shirt from. That they have I guess you need World Friendship Coin, which is on the EOS blockchain, in order to purchase a gem coin, which is supposed to be an asset based upon diamonds. Endo, the one that I got this chip from. So they're a protocol that solves the problem of certified information. And Bexam, I will have a video about them. Was able to record them at the show. The thing that I found interesting was this proof of rounds consensus method. It's a pretty interesting way to have a consensus, but I guess the idea is that because they want to be a hybrid exchange, they're using this consensus method to gain the speeds needed to be a hybrid exchange. But more on that later. And Barty Credit. So basically you get crypto secured loans. I wasn't able to video them, but kind of interested to see what they have to offer. Like, say for instance, if you have crypto, you can get a loan that is secured by what you hold without selling your crypto. Anyway, that is it for BlockShow, and just a quick video of what interesting stuff that was given out to everybody there. Thank you for watching.